Like we can stream it.
Do you want me to
stream?
Do you want me to hold it? Maybe?
I'm holding it. Vloggers holding camera by himself.
What is your vlog about?
Nothing, just shooting
Just
me walking.
Okay.
We're going to find a gay bar to watch football.
Yes.
And drink a lot of beer. That's our mission. Found a bar, but not enough chairs, so we're trying to find a solution to the chair problem.
We're here for the atmosphere.
There's a television, we can't see it because it's blocked. So not enough chair is found. We have to go home to watch the football game.
Such a
That's the update on the progress of our party. Home viewing.
Yeah.
It's fun, we're gonna get beer at home, it's nice.
It's fun.
Game, they promised.
Gay.
Game in a bar, they said.
Gay in a bar?
Gay in a bar?
Gay in a bar.
It's a gay bar. So what we got? We're gonna party at home. Yes, Aperol Spritz. Get drunk. Yeah. What's up?
Kom så Danmark!
Yeah, come to Denmark.
Kom så Danmark! Kom så!
Come to Denmark.
Is that Danish? Come so.
Kom så.
Jeg tror det. Kom så!
Come to Denmark.
Kom så Danmark.
Fantastisk!
Fantastisk.
Super projekte! So young.
Yeah. So,
Introduce yourself. This will be your like
I am the owner of this channel. Welcome to my channel.
I don't know if I'm recording now.
Plebs, bow down to your king.
Am I recording if there's a red
You
dot?
didn't record?
I think I'm... Is this recording? Okay.
It is recording.
So,
Bow down to your overlord.
let's talk about what you can do.
What do you mean, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna enjoy the
Not
football
what
game.
you're gonna do. What you can do.
I'm gonna drink a lot of beer,
You,
eat some crisps, or potato chips.
that's it.
And I kung fu you, so be careful.
Okay, but that's really good. That's good. I think you can use it. Good material. First,
First,
It's a watching party.
Watching party.
football.
Failed.
But I actually watched a little bit of the game yesterday.
It was a good game.
Mm.
I have no idea. Actually. You
No,
met
no,
a
no.
friend.
No, yeah, I was at the dinner, like, so, one friend. Do you have a charger?
Denmark won. They're hyped. People are
Yeah!
so happy.
Kom så!
Yeah, Denmark. Semi-final.
Wait to see the streets, Jan.
It's like, seriously, Christmas.
It's okay. We'll fix it in post. This is like the office. You give it a wink to the camera.
Exactly.
I think it's still rolling,
Oh
right?
my god, it's out of focus.
It's like, here.
I couldn't read it.
I don't know how to speak.
Get a shower for free.
Are you guys mixing cocktails?
Yes. Yeah. I'm so happy
Amazing.
that we went kayak.
What are the ingredients?
So, kalua.
Sugar and sugar and sugar.
Yeah, and a special drink for Christopher. Kalua. Okay. Kalua,
Yeah.
vodka,
Vodka.
and coffee.
Coffee.
Should be
Coffee.
espresso.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's mini
Table tennis. Oh,
That's indeed mini
it is.
tennis.
It is indeed.
They delivered what they promised.
I thought we would have to use the entire table, but it is just the corner. of it. Look at the mini ping pong paddles.
Really delivered what
So
they
tiny.
promised. Oh. It's like a huge board tennis.
And they're elastic. It's not hard. It's bouncy, elastic.
What's the difference I can do? We go over this?
Let's go. First round.
You serve.
I serve next.
Yeah,
If you lose, you
Serving
serve.
means I
I
start.
will be the referee. I'll tell you.
The referee.
Yeah, but hit the table first.
But can I just bump?
Oh, you have to use it.
Okay, girls, not too competitive, okay?
1-0.
Not too competitive. That kills the vibe.
Okay. Do like this. No.
That, like this.
Okay.
Keep your paddle like this.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, it didn't work. Okay, you can serve, maybe. It's so complicated. Oh!
No, don't.
But it's because it's too small. We need to understand. Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
I'm too big for the ball.
So how is it like we have to bounce first, no?
Sure. Yeah, on your own, yeah.
Oh my god. I can't even.
Killer! Killer!
I can't
I mean, it
even-
was a killer serve.
1-0.
Alright, my serve now. Watch out. Look at that! Look at that!
Hey, but have you even seen how he holds the racket? Like, it's like,
Yeah, he's doing that.
like he's doing the shit.
Pressure. He's happy.
No, I'm close. Hey, my point.
Yeah, sure.
No, really.
Yeah, but then it's him. Is it loser, sir?
Alright,
Ah,
I serve.
hey,
2-1.
Whatever you
2-1.
like, feed more.
Just kidding.
Calma, calma, eh?
Hey!
No, it didn't count.
Here you are. Easy one. You can't handle the easy one.
It's so fast as well, like I'm trying to.
Yeah, I know, right?
What's the score?
Oh, you.
4-2? 4-2? 5-2? 6-2?
Have you played mini
Table
board
tennis.
tennis before?
I've never played a mini board tennis before.
Sure.
Sure. Classic.
Classic Chinese who never play
Board
table tennis,
tennis.
right?
Should we play for money?
Oh, come on. It's just too small, this one.
And now, all of a sudden,
All of a sudden.
all of a sudden it's too small.
You get 1 point.
That's what she said.
This small.
Mistake.
8-6. What a comeback. 6-2 to 8-6.
From Switzerland.
Good for you. Alright, next
What happens next?
Sir.
Oh, that has a pleasant temperature.
Yeah, well, it warmed up. It's not supposed to be.
It's perfect for throat.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of tea.
Okay, Vanya. Very strong.
Go, go, go.
Is it strong?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ridiculous.
Oops.
I don't even feel it. Do you think it's strong?
Is it coffee?
I mean, I feel alcohol, but it's like literally like coffee with alcohol. You know what I mean?
Because maybe it's my Polish side that it's like vodka is like water. Do you feel it?
Yeah, that's a misconception. We don't really do that. I
I
feel
think
like
that
my
is just
job is just to find these misconceptions. Really. It's like
Embrace it.
we don't feed our children with this. Despite all facts. Okay. But done? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I mean, we're all obviously very skilled in mini board tennis.
Mini table tennis.
Unexpected.
Sorry. Cool.
It's-
Oh, wait. She hit the
1-1.
No.
Yes, 1-1.
Oh, really?
1-1.
I put it in your.
Vanya.
Oh, ooh.
Oops.
Sass.
Ready, Freddy?
Any friendly.
Oh, man. Good
But
shot.
wasn't it this?
Yeah,
cable?
no. You got it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Shaking.
Yeah, it didn't work, Vanessa.
3-1. 4-1.
Now you do it like me.
Versus black.
I was professional for 8 years.
In mini board tennis. I feel like sorry. Do you wanna start with sir? Oh, we're serious.
Oh.
Yeah, it was.
Was it me?
No, it was net.
But then you.
I win.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
win.
yeah.
1-1. Good shot.
Ah. Under the table.
That's a good one. That's a good one. 3-1.
Ah.
Are you kidding me?
Whoa.
Fabian. Fabian is coming
5-1.
into vlogging.
The break is over.
Is it over?
Killer.
5-2.
Almost actually.
Ah, no.
No, I feel like it would be.
5-3.
I'm losing it.
But it's
I'm gonna do the reverse.
I know, I think there's a
sorry.
cloud here, but the problem is coming. It's stopping soon,
6-3.
I think.
Oh, that was brutal. 7-3.
The strongest
The
racket in the
champion.
book. In mini board tennis.
Mini board tennis. First champion. First world
Well
champion.
played.
The world champion!
You didn't do the Instagram live, right? Went to the toilet.
No. The Instagram live in the
Ciao.
Okay,
Going
vamos
home.
then.
Bye.
Let's see. Nah, bye.
Yes, same jacket. Okay.
Bye, hi.
Hi again.
Bye again. Be happy. Be happy.